everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 from my January 2022 trip where we spent the first half of the day at Animal Kingdom. And as you can probably tell with everyone like in this clip walking in front of us wearing ponchos, it was a very cold and rainy day. It was still lots of fun, but definitely not the best weather. We did have a pretty awesome safari though, which you will see in the next clips.
Stripes, but are actually the closest known relative to the giraffe. Now these bongos up here, all of them will wear horns, both males and females. All the female kudos you see here do not have them, only those males will wear them. Now the greater kudu is the tallest of the forest antelope, reaching up to about 55 inches at their shoulder, while the bongos are the heaviest, weighing up to 900 pounds. Looks like a big boulder over there. Now, the black rhino can weigh up to 3,000 pounds in size, which is roughly the size of a small car. They are solitary animals, usually living out there on of their own, which is just the way they like it, while the white rhino is a bit more social. Over there, really tiny, her head sticking up out of the water. She was born about 5 months ago, so she is still pretty new out here. Those babies are quite small at birth, averaging about 80 pounds at birth, which is coincidentally how much food a hippo can eat in a day. Now, those full-grown hippos will usually range around 2,000 pounds on average once they're fully grown, but some of those males reaching up to 5,000 pounds, about 7 to 9 feet. Now, they have some incredible beaks, kind of like a big net on the bottom of their face, hoping to catch all kinds of different fish, who they can then swallow whole. Pretty cool animal. Now we are going to be heading over a bridge. Another reminder to remain seated. Keep your eyes on the left for those awesome Nile crocodiles. Now these animals are known to have one of the most powerful bites of any animal on Earth, clamping down with a force of 2,000 pounds. They average about 500 pounds themselves and can eat up to half their body weight in just one feeding. Up here in the middle, you get a look at our newest baby to the herd. He was born back in the summertime. Now we have had quite the baby boom out here over the last year or so, welcoming many new faces to the reserve. Very exciting time for us out here. Now we are sitting up about 6 feet in the truck right now, so you can see how tall these giraffes actually are. Full-grown ones usually ranging from around 13 to 17 feet. Also a beautiful zebra over here to the right side. Now this is the Hartman's mountain zebra, one of 3 different types of zebras, the others being the gray and the plains zebra. If you take a close look, you may catch a glimpse of that light tail. Now, painted dog is one of the most successful hunters in the world, with about an 80% success rate for those hunting missions. The reason for their success is that they will hunt in large cunning packs together and have incredible endurance, running over 40 miles an hour for many miles to catch that prey. Also coming around, we'll get a good look at these wildebeests up here. how these wildebeests are laying down. You can see that they're laying and facing all different directions. Now this is a safety tactic used by the herd to protect everyone from predators that could be approaching on any side. These animals will travel in enormous herds, recorded up to 1.5 million, making the wildebeest the second largest grouping animal to humans. Mothers give birth standing up and can sometimes fall up to 6 feet at birth. Now that long fall helps to kickstart their heart rate and that blood flowing in case they need to run away from any predators. Both zebras and giraffes pack a pretty hard kick with those long legs to protect themselves. Also, way up here on top of the hill, we'll get a look at some of those Angolan cattle. Pretty hard to miss with those awesome horns sticking out up there.
This one's close to us. He's blocking the road. He's on the road there. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that.
See a nice glob of slobber hanging out from their mouth there. Now, giraffes will chew their food into cud, just like cows do, so you see them chewing back and forth like that.
How many stomachs do they have? Or do they have more than one?
All right. You're gonna come on around. You can get a pretty good look at this Angolan up here. Now, similar to the Hartman's mountain zebra, these Angolans have their own cooling mechanism found inside their horns. Now, both the males and females will wear those horns reaching up to 6 feet, around 8 to 13 feet tall, and weighing up to 7 tons. Now, they will spend most of their day eating. They can eat hundreds of pounds of food in a single day. Also, on your left, you can find some banjo monkeys. Now, those males are going to have the red and blue markings on their faces, and all of them will have those impressive teeth helping to protect them from predators. Now, they will live in large family groups together to ensure everyone is well fed in their trunks and offer an oasis to many animals during drought seasons, giving them that awesome nickname, the Tree of Life. Looks like we did find a couple more elephants up this way. Pretty good look at this one down in front there. Now we're going to head on around to take a look at these flamingos. Now these here are the greater flamingo, as they are the largest. The lesser flamingo will be a little bit smaller. Now if you look closely, you may notice some of them are gray. It's because these birds are born gray, and then they'll start to feed on brine shrimp, which turns them pink. It usually takes them about 1 to 2 years to turn that super bright pink color. So the gray ones you see here are some of our youngest. Now we are going to have an ostrich. Usually when there's one, there's two more, so keep an eye out for those others. Now, as you can see, these birds are very quick and can run over 40 miles per hour. And when they get to going at those high speeds, they will stick their wings out to steer, kind of like a runner on a ship. Well, this one here is a female, as she has gray feathers, while the males will have those iconic black feathers. And while most other birds will have 3 toes, these birds just have 2 large ones. Keep an eye out up here on the left for some cheetahs. They do have beautiful spots, helping to keep them hidden in the forest, but we'll see if we can find some.
At the top. Do you see them? Yeah.
A couple of them resting up here on the left. These cats are quite small compared to other large cats, weighing up to about 140 pounds, making them smaller than some larger dog breeds. Their smaller size helps them in their incredible speed. And as you can see, these cats are great sleepers, sleeping up to 20 hours of their day in preparation for their nighttime hunting missions. Now, the males have difficulty hunting as those manes can weigh up to 40 pounds. So the strong females who do the primary hunting, while the males provide protection.
Yay, oh, they're settling. I love it so much. Can I go cuddle with you?
We're going to make our way around so you can get a closer look at those rhinos. But we did get a look at that ostrich back there. We'll see if we can get another look at some more up here. We can also check out some of their eggs up here. Now, these eggs up here are in fact ostrich eggs, largest in the world. They can weigh up to about 3 pounds each, which is about 24 chicken eggs. Ostriches are pretty non-conventional birds in many ways and will not lay on top of their eggs or form nests throughout the day like most others will. These eggs are very thick and durable, so they need as much protection in their incubation. So it's very agile, making them great climbers like my friend up there on the stool. Also very social and friendly, known for the locals' milk and cheese to help boost their economy and nourish their communities. We also noticed that yellow box hanging up back there. Inside this box contains bees. Local farmers have learned that elephants are afraid of bees, so to protect their crops from hungry elephants, we'll keep those bee boxes.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We did actually spend the evening at Disney Springs, but I didn't end up recording anything from that. Obviously, we did some shopping, but you can see everything that I bought on this trip in my haul video, which I will link up above in case you've missed that. But if you did enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.